Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your legal and general account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's start watching the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar of your browser, click there and type in legal and general.com like this, or you can just search for legal and general login on the Google like this. Both ways you will end up on the same page. You can see the legal and general.com website over here, which is the website we just typed in over here, and it's the same website. Now in order to proceed to our login, let's accept the cookies, and on the top right corner of your screen you can see the login option available over here. Click on the login option. Let's accept all the cookies, and after the page loads, you will need to enter your user ID over here, and after that you will be required to enter your password to continue to log into legal and general. Or if you have not already registered for legal and general account, click over here on register for my account, and you will be redirected to the sign up procedure or the sign up page of legal and general. Or if you have just forgotten your login details, click on the forgotten your login details option, and then you will be taken a procedure to retrieve your password or your login details. And then guys, this is how you log into your legal and general account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.